In this video, I'll show you how to add Face ID on an Android phone. Adding your face means you can unlock your phone without having to type in a password. You can also add Face ID to unlock apps. It's up to you. So in order to do this, go ahead and open up your phone's settings. Scroll down to password and biometrics. And then look for a section where it says add face or register face. Mine says add face. Click on that. Now I will be asked for a password, so the screen may be going blank as I am recording my screen using my phone rather than a camera recording my phone, if that makes sense. So I'll enter my password, and then I'll now be asked to enroll face. So while I do that, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so I've successfully enrolled my face or registered my face, so I can now use that to unlock my screen or my phone, and then I can also use it for app lock or private safe, but I'll just leave it on screen lock from now. Yeah, and that is how you add Face ID on an Android phone.